Hi everyone, my name is Dr. Abraham and I'm here, I'm the dentist at Capstone Dentistry, and this is Miguel, my assistant.
Hello.
And we're here today to talk about INVISALIGN. We have a lot of patients who come here to do INVISALIGN, and there are some commonly asked questions that patients have, and so we thought we'd make this video. The reason I got Miguel here today with me is because he's had INVISALIGN in the past. Like a few months ago, he finished and he's now in his retainers, and so he can answer a lot of questions. It's like first-hand experience because he's had it before. So let's just go over a few questions that our patients have. One of the questions is if INVISALIGN takes a long time, and you know, traditional braces typically takes about maybe 2 to 3 years sometimes if it's complex. And INVISALIGN is actually much less. It can take as little as 8 weeks to maybe the longest about 1.5 years, and those are for really complex cases. So it's actually much faster than traditional braces. Another question is INVISALIGN painful? You know, just like metal braces, every time someone gets metal braces and they go to the dentist to get an adjustment, they come back with pain. They have to take ibuprofen over the counter. And so patients ask us, is that painful when we wear these aligners? And so since Miguel has had INVISALIGN, I'm going to ask him so he can tell you firsthand if they were painful when he got them. So Miguel, go ahead. Was it painful?
No, it wasn't painful at all. You will feel a little bit of tightness every time you switch over to a new tray, but that's normal. That's just your teeth moving to the correct spot.
Exactly. And Miguel used to wear the aligners while he was working with me, assisting. You know, he would change his aligner every other week, and it never hurt. He had to never take any pain medications, so they're really not very painful at all. Another question is, if INVISALIGN, even though it's called INVISALIGN, is it very visible? Can other people say that you're getting your teeth straightened? And the answer is again no. INVISALIGN is virtually invisible. It's clear aligners, and unless someone comes really close and looks at you carefully, they cannot tell that you're wearing the INVISALIGN aligners. So they're really invisible, and they look great when you smile. You can function normally with it. You can take pictures with it. So it's great. Another question is about foods. What kind of foods you can eat? And you know, a lot of patients with traditional braces have to avoid anything crunchy, sticky, steak, pretty much everything. There are a lot of things that they cannot eat. Popcorn. With INVISALIGN, the biggest thing is, I think this is like a great advantage. You take out the aligner before you eat anything, so you can eat pretty much anything with INVISALIGN, because you take out the aligner, clean your teeth, brush, floss, and then wear the aligner back on. So Miguel, while you had INVISALIGN, you pretty much ate everything, right?
Yes, I didn't have to change my diet or anything.
Yes, so it's great. That's again a thing that doesn't interfere with your daily life. Another question was if INVISALIGN is expensive, and this is a concern for a lot of patients. They just have this impression that because it's invisible and it's so convenient, it has to be expensive, and that's not true again. You know, we have several payment options for INVISALIGN, and depending on the severity and the complexity of the case, if it's a short-term express INVISALIGN that takes less than 6 months, the cost is much less. And so sometimes traditional braces can even be more expensive than the express INVISALIGN cases. So that pretty much sums the common questions that we had. Before we stop, I'm going to get Miguel to show you how an INVISALIGN aligner looks. He has this model, and he's just going to show it to you.
Okay, so this is what INVISALIGN is, just clear plastic trays, very flexible and firm.
Yeah, they look great, and they're kind of clear. And we are very happy to offer free consultations. If you're interested in INVISALIGN and you always want straight teeth, just call us and we will do a free consult, and you can also do a free whitening with the INVISALIGN aligners. we give you this special whitening gel that cleans your aligners and at the same time whitens your teeth. So you get straight white teeth in as little as 6 months in most cases. So call us. I hope I answered all your questions. Thank you. Bye-bye.
Bye.